y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be using a bentonite clay mask on my natural hair. So I just took my hair down from a protective style. You guys should have seen that. It was the crochet box braid hairstyle that I did 2 videos ago. I will definitely link it above so that you guys can check it out. So I just took my hair down and I just feel like my hair needs a little bit of TLC. So I've introduced the bentonite clay to you guys before in a recent video, but I used it on my face. I usually use it on my face about once a month to kind of suck out any blackheads or whiteheads that I may have. But as far as my hair, I use it a little bit less frequently. I use it about every 6 months or so whenever I feel like my hair needs like that extra oomph, you feel me? So that is what I'm going to be doing today. So as you guys know, or you may not know, Aztec healing clay is great for just reviving your curls, detoxing your hair, and just getting your hair back to where it needs to be. So as far as my hair right now, I haven't done anything to it. I just took it out of the crochet braids. It is dry. I have not moisturized it. I haven't done anything to it. Haven't shampooed or anything like that. I will not be shampooing for this wash day because the bentonite clay will take care of all of that. So right now I'm going to insert a small clip of how I actually made the mask. It's very easy. I just combined the clay and the apple cider vinegar. I didn't use any precise measurements. You guys can play with it when you guys make it. You can make it a little bit thicker if you want, or a little bit runnier if you like, but the consistency that you guys see in the video is how I like to apply it to my hair. So yeah guys, I'll be right back.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Alright guys, so I have my 2 spray bottles right here. So I'm going to start off by wetting the section, and then I'm just going to apply the mask.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Alright guys, so I am back and I am done applying the product to my hair. Y'all, can y'all believe I ran out of product? Like, I legit was scraping the bowl to try to get the extra little product out so that I can put it on my hair. So you guys can see this side has a little bit more product than this side does, but it is okay. My hair is well coated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 30 minutes or so. I'm probably going to wash the dishes and then I'm going to hop in the shower, rinse this out, and then I am going to show you guys how it looks. And yeah guys, it is a pretty messy mask, which is expected. It is clay, so that is something to definitely keep in mind as well. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I am back and I wanted to show you guys the final results of the clay mask in my hair. So I did rinse it out. I am fresh out of the shower and I wanted to just show you guys my hair. My hair is a very defined, especially at the back. Very defined. As you guys can see, my definition is on like 1,000 and my hair is very soft and it feels super duper clean. So I love using this clay mask. Even though I use it infrequently, I really enjoy how my hair feels and looks when I do use it. And I also wanted to give you guys a little tip. So when you guys are applying the mask, your mask in the bowl might get a little hard. So if that does happen, you can add a little bit of water to your mask and it'll free it right up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to apply some deep conditioner off camera so that I can, you know, properly condition my hair. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment if you guys have any questions about my hair or the hair mask. Definitely leave those down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are blessed and happy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.